Welcome to the Quizzers. Are you ready for the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Ever. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather lose your best friend or lose your pet? Would you rather walk on broken glass or walk on hot lava? Would you rather drink a glass of spoiled milk or eat a slice of moldy bread? Would you rather be able to talk to ghosts or talk to aliens? Would you rather eat candy that tastes like poop or eat poop that tastes like candy? Would you rather have a private yacht or a private jet? Would you rather feed the cats or feed the dogs? Would you rather walk on a tightrope or walk on fire? Would you rather forget all your past memories or never be able to make new ones? Would you rather eat a bowl of worms or eat a bowl of fried insects? Would you rather have no eyebrows for life or have no fingernails for life? Would you rather never celebrate your birthday again or comment your favorite emoji? Would you rather have no one attend your wedding or have no one attend your funeral? Would you rather have your hand stuck in a jar of scorpions or your foot stuck in a bucket of fire ants? Would you rather never drink water again or only drink water forever? Would you rather eat only burgers for life or eat only pizzas for life? Would you rather lose a nail or lose a tooth? Would you rather live a healthy but poor life or live a rich but unhealthy life? Would you rather change your past or see the future? Would you rather always feel extremely hot or always feel extremely cold? Would you rather live one perfect life or live 100 years full of regrets? Would you rather burn everything you touch or spoil everything you touch? Would you rather save a dog from danger or take $1 million? Would you rather swim with sharks or swim with jellyfish? Would you rather live in the house on the left or the house on the right? Would you rather be lost in a forest or be lost at sea? Would you rather do a blindfolded taste test or do blindfolded cooking? Would you rather be rich with no friends or have friends but no money? Would you rather be on a plane during a storm or be on a boat during a storm? Would you rather be immortal or bring someone back to life? Would you rather sleep without a pillow or sleep without a blanket? Would you rather have more time or have more money? Would you rather spend a year in a coma or spend a year in jail? Would you rather be trapped in a sinking car or be trapped in a burning building? Would you rather lose an arm or lose a leg? Would you rather feel extreme pain for 10 minutes a day or feel mild pain all day? Would you rather experience your worst fear once or have nightmares about it every night? Would you rather eat only raw food forever or eat only burnt food forever? Would you rather lose a loved one or forget who you are? Would you rather only be able to move in slow motion or only be able to talk in slow motion? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.